on the DL and enjoyed laughing about it to myself on my ride home. And our next story. Land deal gone awry. A tale of vengeance. Disclaimer. This tale of revenge was thought up and carried out by my parents and neighbor. My parents live in a nice, quiet neighborhood. For the most part, everyone gets along well, and the neighborhood exists in its own little bubble. The only time you see people from outside the neighborhood bubble is on Halloween. Our backyard neighbor, a single middle-aged woman who we'll call Sally, was kind of adopted by our family and came to all holiday parties and family get-togethers. We all love her, and that made our revenge all the more satisfying. Sally had a next-door neighbor who owned a lot between Sally's house and her own. When the neighbor expressed an interest in selling the lot, Sally offered to purchase it, and the deal was made. Unfortunately, Sally's neighbor died prior to the land being finalized, and the lot went into her assets to be distributed to only her daughter, who we'll call resting BFIs, or RBF. RBF disliked Sally and refused to sell the empty lot to her because she believed Sally had been attempting to screw her mother over. RBF claimed she was going to sell it to an interested developer who would build a house.